In today's video, I'm going to do a very quick unboxing of the brand new commercial Kitchenaid stand mixer. And I do have one here already, and now I'm going to open up another one brand new. So let's get started. One thing I'll mention right from the get-go is that there is no retail box inside this. This is the box that it comes in. When we open it up, we're going to get right to the brand new mixer. We'll just get right in here. And we'll open this up. We've got our little paper here. Important information you need to know, and then it goes through a few things that you have to check before you actually use the mixer. So let's unbox this. We'll just take a little peek inside here. And I forgot to mention, but this is a commercial model and it's also NSF approved. So I'm going to let's get our little attachments out so you can see a nice dough hook. Look at that really nice machine. I'll turn this around. Here we have the dough paddle. I do believe I have to slide that out from the other side. So we'll take the machine out first. And there's our paddle. Bring this around. Let me just adjust my camera. So the first thing that you'll notice here is the commercial models, they have a nice security cage, and you can just lift that right up. Take these little pieces of cardboard off. And there we have it. And one thing that I forgot to mention on another video that I did of the first unboxing of the other one, which is over there, that the security cage will not lift up if the mixer is in action or motion. So if I turn this on, like let's say I'm on number 2 here, you'll see that it locks the security cage in place. So that's a really nice feature. We'll lift that up. Get in here. And here is the little ingredient feeder. This is all stainless steel, and I'll show you how that goes on in a few seconds. So just lift our bowl out. And one thing that we notice is that the electric cord is more heavy duty than the retail models. This little area here is where you'll add in all of your attachments. So you loosen the screw, lift this up, and then you'll put attachments like your pasta machine. And then you'll just tighten this up. When the machine is on, inside here, it turns, and that's how everything is activated. Bring it down. Throw the whisk on for fun. Close that down, up and down with that lever. Very, very simple. You can see how large this is. This is a very, very large mixing bowl. To use the ingredient feeder, you simply take it and you can just attach it right on like that. And then all of your stuff goes right into your bowl. Really, really simple. A really nice addition that Kitchenaid has given us. So we've got the paddle attachment, our dough hook, and our whisk. And just to finish off our video, let's have a little bit of fun with our brand new mixers. We'll just close these down. So there we have it. A really, really fun one today. These are the brand new commercial Kitchenaid stand mixers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. That's it, and I'll see you next time.